Welcome back, Spirit Boosters. Welcome back to the channel. What do we got to say today? What do I have to share with you today? Just wait and see. Look at my glasses. These are my old glasses. Still haven't got new ones because appointments are ridiculous. Okay. I have a very tiny haul, and a couple of items are going in the stockpile. The rest is stuff we just eat for snacks and dinner. Okay. And do I have any prepper news to share? Of course. Always got prepper news. What? Same old thing, different day. They are discussing high grocery prices, gas prices. And by the way, California, they keep increasing this gas. It's ridiculous. Some folks, I read somewhere where they ran out of gas, don't have no money to put gas in the car. This is serious business. Everybody don't have no credit card or a good job to, keep some money in their pocket every week for certain things, especially food, gas, whatever. Pay your bills. It's a mess in these streets. Ooh, how many of you guys today are going to be watching the news? I believe this evening, allegedly, they're going to be discussing the insurrection that happened in January. I live for it. They're going to have supposedly allegedly witnesses, and they're going to share some juicy goings-ons and what's happening. And I guess allegedly some people going to be, put out there. Their business going to be put out there, who they talk to, phone calls, just all kind of stuff. Do you know, allegedly, they just had the folks on camera saying stuff on videotape, saying one thing, then the next day they saying they disagree with it. It's just so much mess going on. I can't wait to see the juiciness. I think it come on this evening, but if y'all know what I'm talking about, say so in the comment section. I'm a Democrat. If you're a Republican, just if you want to say so in the comment section, that's on you. But I know Fox News is not going to, they say allegedly they're not going to share this information. They don't want people to know what's going on. Why they don't want people to know what's going on? I don't know. That's a dangerous thing, to not have the information. And why would you hide it? Why do allegedly folks want other people just live to see other folks be in misery, suffering, challenged, and turn them into crazy people to get in the streets and want to destroy stuff because allegedly they believe their livelihood is being taken away, which is a lie. I'm telling you. Oh, shoot. I'm about to finish breaking these little pieces of glass. I did have tape on the other arm, but I don't even know where the arm at now. But anyway, what I'm about to say. I'm about to turn around. Well, if y'all want to talk about any of these things I just mentioned, do so in the comment section. As y'all can see on my channel, my views, support, etc. is diminishing. What is Miss JENITA doing? Am I singing a little bit too much? Oh well, because I'm about to sing again. I don't know why they put me in the lagoon when all I do is try to help people see what's coming and what they should do. Hey G babies, I didn't say hi to y'all. Don't forget, G Mama loves you. But anyway, yeah, they got me in the Black Lagoon. I don't know why I'm punished on a regular. I don't know why my channel just sit in the lagoon. They got me like I was doing so good once upon a time. I don't know. Am I doing something that folks don't like? But wait, let me back up. I'm doing stuff that I like, and you guys that come on this channel, I'm about to turn the camera around and let y'all see what the heck. Well, my husband got this stuff. I'm going to have another major crafting haul because I'm about to do some things on my crafting channel. I'm in love with my crafting channel and my gardening channel. I just put up a brand new gardening video. About to put up some more crafting videos. And I'm constantly putting up stuff on this prepper channel. Thank you, God, for the Most High. Thank you for the people that do come on my channel and support me fully. But remember, Miss JENITA, you see that thank you word and it got $sign for my loyal, faithful. If you can't afford $5, $2, donate to Miss JENITA's channel. Show me some love. Let other people show me that you're showing me love so they can be encouraged to donate too. You want to see me bring what I'm bringing? You want to see me vlog a little bit? You want to meet the husband? Because he's dying to be met. He always saying hi to you, spirit boosters. Husband, say hi to the spirit boosters. You got to be a little louder. They can't hear you. A little louder. Can y'all hear him? Say hi, spirit boosters. Well, he said, hey, y'all. But okay, I'm about to turn the camera around. Y'all going to see what I got. But me, yeah, just show the love and let folks know that, hey, Miss JENITA channel is special and she got it going on. She know what she doing. She brings it, whether, you know, I bring what I bring. My style, my way. And people loving it that do come back and forth. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all to death. Thank you for the ones that miss me and gift me. Now, I'm about to turn around, y'all. Y'all heard the message and all that stuff. Now, let me show y'all the haul. Okay, here go the little stuff I was telling y'all about. I got 2 boxes of the 12-pack McCormick taco seasoning. That's going in the stockpile. Those 2 things. I love McCormick taco seasoning. I got a video months back where I did I showed all my seasoning packs and stuff. I was a hauling sister back in the day when I was, you know, really putting it out there, my food and stuff. Okay, I also got 2 bags of the Ore-Ida crispy, extra crispy crinkle french fry potatoes. Those are good. Good. And I got some of this bread here. It's $1.99. It come out of the bakery section in Food for Less. Yeah. So, I think I'll probably be buying that than the other bread I was getting, a sub rolls. Because this is $1.99. They're freshly baked. They're very soft. Ooh, I love it. It says sub rolls. So you can make meatball sandwiches, sub sandwiches, chicken finger sandwiches, barbecue beef sandwiches, all that good stuff. This is what I'm going to be buying now. At least I found some of what my husband got. Cheap bread. He becoming a great grocery shopper because, you know, I don't be out there that much because Miss JENITA be struggling with these kneecaps, back, butt, everything. Okay, so y'all heard the message. Y'all know the tip is stay in survival mode, crisis mode, last plate mode, uppercut mode, watch out for granny mode, and what else? Fair game mode. Because people's out there, you know, struggling trying to get that baby formula. So it's fair game and all that stuff with that baby formula. And that's about it. I got to put my stuff up, get ready for the day, be doing my crafting, my gardening stuff, and staying on my prepper stuff. Don't forget the donations. Don't forget the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for any new people that are enjoying this content. You like my style? Let me know. Say so in the comment section. And don't forget, hit me up with $2 if that's all you got. Now the folks, my spirit boosters that can't do it, don't do it. But for you ballers, the ones that can manage, that really love Miss JENITA too, hit me with them donations. Yeah, that's what that thing is for. That thank you hit it. All right, bye y'all.